our captain and crew, a very warm welcome aboard. Our adventure starts now as we set our first trip for Alcatraz Island, site of the former federal penitentiary. Most folks know Alcatraz for its legendary inmates, guys like gangster Al Capone or the Birdman of Alcatraz. On top of the hill, the massive 3-story main prison building was built almost entirely by military prisoners. This supermassive security prison is a temporary home to more than 1,500 federal prisoners between 1934 and 1963. Former captain of the guards Phil Burkett liked to brag. Only 17 of them ever came back for seconds. We're passing the site of many prison break attempts. Along the shoreline in 1939, 5 inmates, including Doc Barker, son of the infamous gang leader Bob Barker, escaped from the cell house and made their way in the dark down these cliffs to the small cove below the warning sign, now built. A band played and crowds cheered. Chief Engineer Joseph Strauss wrote this poem for the dedication of the bridge.
At last, the mighty task is done, resplendent in the western sun.
Constructed in the early 1930s to create a calm water playground within an aquatic park for city residents and their guests. The building that looks a lot like a ship is the Maritime Museum. It was originally a giant community bathhouse with large underground locker rooms. It's now a museum of model ships and a nautical art collection, and is the site of frequent special events and receptions. At the far end of the breakwater are headquarters for the Dolphin and South End Swimming Club. Since the late 1800s, members of the Dolphin and South End Club have been swimming year-round in the waters of Aquatic Park, and they're a hardy bunch. Water temperatures vary from about 50 degrees Fahrenheit in January to about 61 degrees in September.
Mom checking off her bucket list by walking the Golden Gate Bridge. And there's Alcatraz over there. Downtown. And Golden Bridge. I don't know what she was thinking with that hat. Yeah, I think it's just what holds it up.
Is it scunchie?
Yeah, I guess. We're wondering what that pipe is. Mom's learning how to do a pano. A panorama shot. Yeah, why don't you climb up there, Mom, get a better view. What's it called? Lombard Street?
Yep.
The windiest street in America. Gee, think, Ma. Our ride's on the other side of the hill. So that means...
We gotta climb there.
Our ride home is on the other side of the hill. Sorry, Charlie. My mom, the tourist.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna drive by across the street and look up.
This is somebody's driveway. ride home.